toward a bright tomorrow, the right door.
The darkest night was still home, the promise of the dawn. So choose today to hope and be strong.
Life is like a winding river that flows on.
It races and it rises sometimes, so hold on. Through the stormy weather, despite the wind and rain, we can dare to dream again.
Life is ours to hold, never let it go. When time gets hard, we keep walking on. Deep inside our hearts, we feel the light of love and know that our life is a miracle. Life is like a road we travel, search for.
The path toward a bright tomorrow, the right door. The darkest night will still hold the promise of the dawn.
So choose today to hold and be strong.
Life is like a winding river that flows on. It races and it rises sometimes, so hold on.
Through this stormy weather, despite the wind and rain, we can dare to dream again. Life is ours to hold, never let it go. When times get hard, we keep walking on. Deep inside our heart, there's a light of love, and know our life is a miracle.
Life is not a story for someone else to tell, yeah.
Life is not a time for us to hide, yeah. Life is not the answer, but how we find our way. Life is staying willing to try.
Life is ours to hold, we'll never let it go.
Times get hard, we keep walking on. Deep inside our heart, we feel the light of love and know that our life is a miracle. Don't wanna waste your time pretending that you didn't go. Don't wanna waste your mind pretending that you didn't know.
You gotta step, gotta go, gotta seize the day. You gotta think about the reason that you came this way.
Sun coming up on another coast, time running out to make the most. Find yourself and be the one who goes where you should go.
Show them who thought they're gonna find what it means to shine. Feeling fine, all in line, saying yes to the good times.
To hold, never let it go. Times get hard, we keep walking on.